Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Can you dance, Mags? Maggie May, look at Mommy, dance. Can you dance?
Yay!
Check out this outfit. She has on a pink shirt, green pajama pants, and her new purple shoes that she brought to me this morning to put on her feet. This reminds me of Katie and the girls the other day when Olivia dressed herself. This is what I have to look forward to. Maggie May, look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Hey. And of course she has passed.
So glad you